In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook with Google Calendar. Now, synchronizing your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar can be incredibly handy. Whether you're planning a meeting, remembering an important birthday, or keeping track of deadlines, having all your events in one place makes life so much simpler. Let's dive in and see how you can seamlessly connect the two using Zapier. First, navigate to zapier.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Zapier is an amazing tool that allows you to automate workflows and integrate the apps you use every day. Once you're logged in, you're going to start by clicking on Create Zap. In simple terms, a Zap is an automated workflow that connects your apps and services. For the Trigger app, we're going to select Microsoft Outlook. This means that whenever something happens in Outlook, it will initiate a series of actions. Specifically, you'll choose New Event under the Trigger event. This selection tells Zapier to kick into gear whenever a new event is added to your Outlook calendar. Next, you'll need to connect your Outlook account to Zapier. This step authorizes Zapier to access your calendar events, but don't worry, Zapier takes security seriously, so your information will be handled with care. Once your Outlook account is connected, it's time to set up the action part of your Zap. For the action app, select Google Calendar, because that's where we want your Outlook events to appear. You'll choose Create Detailed Event as your action event. Now connect your Google account to Zapier. Similar to Outlook, this authorization allows Zapier to create events in your Google Calendar on your behalf. Now that both accounts are connected, you need to link the details of your event. This part involves mapping, which is simply matching information from the Outlook event to the right fields in Google Calendar. For example, align the event title, time, and description to their respective spots in Google Calendar. This ensures all the critical details are transferred over accurately. Once everything is set up, it's time for the final step, testing and publishing your Zap. Clicking Test and Publish will activate your workflow. This test is crucial as it confirms everything is working properly before the Zap goes live. And there you have it. With just these steps, your Outlook events will now automatically sync with your Google Calendar. This streamlined process helps keep your calendars up to date effortlessly, saving you the hassle of manual entry and potential errors. Remember, once the Zap is live, any new event in Outlook will directly appear in your Google Calendar, keeping everything in sync without any extra work from you. I hope this guide was helpful and that you find this integration useful for your productivity and schedule management.